Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet essential skill for Microsoft Teams, how to turn your camera on and off. Whether you're in a virtual meeting, class, or team call, knowing how to control your camera can make your online experience much smoother. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll master this in just a few clicks. Accessing Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this through your web browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, especially if you have multiple work or school accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Teams dashboard with all your chats, meetings, and channels. Locating the video icon. Next, let's find the main video icon. This is the key to joining or starting a meeting. Look at the top right of your screen or in the main menu bar. You'll see a small video camera icon. That's your gateway to video meetings. Starting or joining a meeting. You have two options here. You can start a new meeting or join an existing one. To start a meeting, click the Start Meeting button. You may be asked to name your meeting and invite participants. If you're joining an existing meeting, just click the invite link or select the meeting from your calendar. Toggling your camera on and off. Once your meeting is open, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a video camera icon alongside mute, chat, and other controls. To turn your camera off, simply click the video icon. You'll notice the icon changes to a camera with a slash through it. This means your video is now off. To turn your camera back on, click the same icon again. The slash disappears and your camera is live again. It's that easy. Remember, turning your camera on and off doesn't affect your audio, so you can freely control your video visibility without interrupting the meeting. And that's it. Now you know how to easily turn your camera on and off in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a quick Teams tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.